Hi everybody, this is Kees, call sign Papa Alpha 1 Charlie Alpha, PA1CA, and today I'm going to give you a quick impression of Mircules DX Cluster for the Mac. It's, well, as it says, it's a DX Cluster application specifically for the Mac. After you install it and you start it up, this is the screen that you'll see. It automatically shows the information of the 20 meter band. As you can see here, the 20 meter band is checked. If you want to add more bands here, you want to see more, then you can just check any checkbox here. I'll take the 10 meter band, 15 meter band, just to see a bit more. As you can see, all the information now is added here. In the table here, you see different columns. On the DX call sign column, DX country in the spotter and spotter country columns, you can double click. Now, for instance, if you double click on this column, it will show you the information of this call sign, this operator. If I double click on the country, it will show you the country. The same goes for the spotter. This is the call sign of the spotter in this case. And the country, Spain. The information is automatically refreshed every 5 minutes. This refresh interval you can change. Go to Preferences. Here is the 5 minutes. I can make it, for instance, in 10 minutes. As you can see, as you saw earlier, if you double click on a call sign, it shows you the QRZ information. You can also choose to show the MQTH information. Now if I click OK, first of all, you can see that the refresh interval is now 10 minutes. And now if I double click on a call sign, it shows you the MQTH information. Clicking here will get me back to the list. As you can see here, there are two cluster providers. A cluster provider is nothing more than the website that gives me the information that is shown here in the list. Sometimes it can happen that the website of the cluster provider is down, not available. Then you can choose the other cluster provider. If I now say retrieve now, it will show you the information of cluster provider number 2. In general, you can just leave it on the first one and it will go OK. You have the option here to use manual retrieve. If you click here on the manual retrieve checkbox, then you see here that there's no interval time given anymore, because now you can only update it manually. Manually updating goes by pressing the retrieve button. Well, the information is already up to date, so it will not show any difference, but every time you want to refresh, just push the button here. For now, I'll leave it on automatic refresh. In the table, you can double click, or you can click on a column, the column header, then it will sort on that header, on that column. If I click again, it sorts in reversed order. You can sort on any of the columns. The standard sort order is on UTC, and it shows you the last item in the top, so it's in reverse order. Lastly, there's a filter option. If you type a word or part of a word, it will filter on that part of a word. It filters on all the columns. In this case, if I now type England, or just the first few letters of England, press enter, then you see England is found here and here. If you want to remove the filter again, click here and it goes. You can filter on all the columns except the UTC. So also, for instance, on the frequency, if I type in 14083, you see it shows you the person on this frequency. This is it. It's a simple application, but very useful, I found, and hope you like it. You can download it for free from the Mircules site, as you can see here. Go to that site, and from there you can download it. I'll also put a download link in the comments underneath the YouTube movie. So clicking there will also get you the application. Thank you very much for watching. This is Case, PA1CA, Papa Alpha 1 Charlie Alpha. Until the next time.